In this video, we are going to break down how Crackle nail polish works, and can you use regular nail gel polish with Crackle nail polish? I bought these Crackle nail polish on Amazon, where you got 6 different colors and 1 white. I am going to start by showing you how to apply Crackle nail polish on the nail. Start by applying a thin layer of base coat on the nail and cure for 60 seconds. Take the white color that is specially designed to be used with the other Crackle nail polish color. Apply a thin layer, but try to apply it evenly, and then cure the nail for 60 seconds. Take the Crackle nail polish and apply it to your nail. Apply a thin layer of the color, and try to make sure that the applicator is even on the entire nail. Then you let the color air dry, and here this is where the magic begins. Finish the nail by applying top coat or applying matte top coat. The choice is yours. Here you can see how it looks with top coat and with matte top coat. Personally, I like top coat the most. Feel free to leave a comment in the comments field which one you liked the most. Now we're going to have a competition to see which color you think will be finished first. Please write in the comments which one you think will be finished first. On the right side, I will use the white color that is intended for use with Crackle nail polish, and on the left side, I will apply a regular white gel polish. I will cure the colors for 60 seconds. I will apply the red color where I have applied the white Crackle polish, and the black color I will apply on the regular white nail gel polish. Which color do you think will be finished faster? I have also set a timer so we can see how long this will take. Personally, I don't see any difference. So, I would say you can use regular nail gel polish with your Crackle polish. The result was just as good, or what do you think? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this Crackle effect, let me know in the comments what design you want next. Your likes and comments help my channel grow. And now, click on the next video and keep the nail magic going.